Hey guys, now we're gonna be leaving the meet. We have a bit of confusion which way to go. ಬನ್ನಿ 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 ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ. ನೀವು ದಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ದಾರಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಹಾಂ
ಇವನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ. ಇನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾವ್ರ, ಇನ್ನ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರ?
ಯಾವ್ದಿದು?
12 ಹಾಂ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸರಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಆಯ್ತು ಬ್ರೋ, ಬಾಯ್.
ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಬಾಯ್ ಬ್ರೋ.
ಓಕೆ, ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. We're leaving now guys. It was a pretty good meet, I'm gonna lie. Pretty chill meet, honestly. As I grow, maybe I can get to know people, and then it'll be easier for me to, you know, park my bike next time. I wasn't able to park my bike for a few hours. I had to park it outside, and then I got it inside after a few hours, and the bike got a bit dirty in a bit, but now it's all good. It's all good. I saw many bikes. I saw an H2 actually. Never thought I'd see an H2 so soon, but I did. Now I've seen an H2. Bright lights, can't even see. Wait, did I miss my left? Or is it ahead? I think I missed my left. Not sure. We'll see. I need a place to stop to check my maps.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, I found the way back home, and apparently I was going in the right way. I just got, you know, nervous for no reason. Come on guys, let me go. Huh, I can hear another superbike, an Indian I think. Yep, that's the Indian. Look at it right there. And the Indian has an exhaust. Nice. There's a superbike behind me too. Night rides with the superbikes. Pretty chill ride, honestly. Chill. Woo. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like the video, please like, share and subscribe. I would appreciate it. As someone who's new, I've only seen others tell us, so hopefully it works out for me too. Let's see. Alright guys, I'll be ending the video here. See you.